Hey guys, what's up? In this short video, we're gonna discuss the difference between sign up and sign in. If you like videos like these, please like and subscribe with the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's begin with actually defining sign up and sign in. According to the Oxford Dictionary, sign up means the action of enrolling for something, and sign in, also known as login, means to go through the procedures to begin use of a computer, database, or system. Basically, every time you go to a new website, you need to sign up, which means put in your email and password, create a username, etc. When you want to go onto a website you have used before, like Gmail or Yahoo, you can log in using your sign-up credentials. If you know that there is nothing important on that website, or you know it's completely safe, like YouTube is, you can choose to keep yourself signed in, or remember me. Now let's use some real-world analogies. When you're buying a house, you need to register for a house, or in this case, sign up for the house. And once you own the house, every time you need to enter it, you need a key, or a login. If you believe that you're in a safe neighborhood, then you can choose to not lock your home, or, in this case, keep me signed in. One word of caution though, whenever you're using a website on a different person's device, never keep yourself signed in. For that, you need to log out of your account, to make sure no one else can access it. So, that's pretty much it for this video. Please like and subscribe with the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.